I'm Michael Gabriel. I'm the director of bands here at Flanagan High School. We just finished our football game winning against Hollywood Hills. The kids had a great halftime performance. They did the intro and the opener with good proficiency on the field. They got top to bottom, got some good stuff, got some good improvements.
Hi, my name is Danny Augustine, and I am the percussion coordinator here at Flanagan High School. My role is to bring a team of educators to not only motivate our kids, inspire our kids, but also bring the best out of our students.